Hi everyone, this is your girl, Afusa. In today's episode, I am not going to teach you alone. Our one and only World Guinness Award holder, Hilda Baci.
Hi guys.
And she's here to teach us how to make linguistic solar power. Linguist. In fact, let her tell us by herself.
So I'm making linguine suya creamy pasta.
Say una don hear her now. Now wetin I don teach am before. Now the name sapamilori, too much of pressure. So as you all know, we have our ingredients here. We have our sugar, maggi, salt, curry and thyme. In fact, we have everything here. So let's continue.
And the first thing you're going to do obviously is cook the pasta.
Okay, she say when you first cook our pasta. Say this one a pasta. May una wait oh. Say this one a pasta.
Some of us don't know what linguine pasta is. Let me show you. So linguine pasta is a different shape of pasta. It's flat. So it's not round, it's like flat.
Auntie, wait oh, as I no come get linguistics pasta for my kitchen,
but you can use regular spaghetti, penny, macaroni, whatever you want.
Okay. She say we can use this one too. Pasta is pasta. So let's begin to cook. So right now, we now on our gas. We now put our water on the fire.
Dissolve! That's what I do for you. Dissolve.
So right now, we will now take our pasta. Tada! Yourself is very good. But wait oh, since it's tutorial, we are not going to use all.
It is smoky.
We are going to take the one that we are going to use. This one like this is okay. And wait oh please, how many minutes this one go dey on fire like this?
At least 95% cooked. If not, it'll be tasting weird.
95%. You should have told me yo. As you go and I would have used firewood. Person no go dey waste gas. But we don't start. Let's continue. 95%. So after the 95%, wetin remain? It's like me. Insufficient data. It's like me data ton. Data you have finished. We'll continue from where she stopped. After all, I know this thing. I'm just trying to seek more knowledge. Let's continue.
Run.
So right now, we'll now open our linguistics pasta. We will now pour our specially made pepper. We will now pour our sugar. No, our salt. We will now put our maggi. We have our curry and thyme. It's a natural thing. This is our curry and this is our thyme. So as you can see, our ingredient is coming out very nice and gradually processed. You guys will not believe what So right now, we will now pour our suya inside our specially made linguistic suya creamy pasta.
Oh no, Baba!
So right now, we will now pour our ororo. Mix it together. And you guys should not forget, we are cooking linguine creamy suya pasta. And it's really one item that is missing. The cream! So right now, let's go and take our cream. This is the cream.
What
cream yourself, Afusa will use. In your own method, you can use lotion cream, you can use horiamon, you can use Vaseline, you can use anything. So right now, let's go and pour our cream inside our linguistic creamy pasta suya.
Ó já mi lára jẹ.
So that's that. We already pour our cream inside our specially made linguistic suya creamy food. So right now, we will now count 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our food is ready. Let's go and serve our food.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good. You are doing lunatic exclusion petriculation of Jagatica.
It's very sweet.
We decide
Right
for anybody.
Let's taste what we have been cooking since morning.
Playing? What type of playing? This is playing.
See you guys next time. Bye bye.
Gbogbo aládìyàwó yìí. Gbogbo ènìyàn láti wò yìí. Ṣé o rántí bíbélì yẹn?
Tunix Film shot it.